So from this to this. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to clean super dirty door panels and interior of your vehicle. We will show you guys what we use. This one is made out of plastic and leather as well. Now, you won't believe guys how good looking that thing will be when it will be finished. So stay with us guys, we'll show you, share the secrets with you. And in addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. So please subscribe, our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So, let's start on it now. So, what we'll be using guys, I recommend to use them on a spot, like under your seat or somewhere, to make sure that it doesn't discover your specific leather. But we never ever had problem with that product before. This is lightning fast stain extractor. Okay, it works really good on carpet, upholstery and fabrics. And we'll show you guys, okay, what we do with it. Also you can use the leather cleaner by Chemical guys as well, which is amazing combination with that stuff. So we just apply a little bit on a towel, microfiber towel. And check out now, okay, what we'll be doing. Okay, we start wiping the panel. You have to be careful around the switches not to get them too wet. Okay, because if you do, they may malfunction and get wet. So before it dries, wipe it. Okay, make sure it stays clean. Because if you let it dry, that foam will dry inside the pores of your door panel and the dirt will be stuck there again. So the moment of the truth, okay, let's see if we'll be able to do okay, that now, right here. Check it out guys. You will be shocked, okay, by the results. Okay, in just a few seconds. We have on the inside here as well. It cleans the stitches really good too. So definitely it's a great product. Again, you have to be very careful for the window switches. Now we're going to dry that area that we cleaned. And later we'll show you what kind of dressing we use to protect it from future cracking, UV protection, and just to make it look even nicer. Okay, perfect. So, we'll go ahead, continue with the rest of the panel, and you can see so far how much better that thing is. Right? It's just unbelievable. Now that stain extractor sometimes, okay, you can dilute it actually 1 to 20. It says on the bottle ours is diluted. It's not straight out of the box. You can use it straight on really tough carpet stains, but for door panels we usually dilute it 1 to 20. Follow the directions guys and you will be surprised how good that thing is. Okay, we're going to go ahead and dry it now when we're ready. And remember what we had before, and so far it doesn't even look like the same door panel. We share that secret with you guys. We use it at the detail shop here at our repair guys, and people love their vehicles when they receive them. So what we'll be using next guys, for some really tough spots you can use a brush for the pores. In our case we didn't even have to use a brush, but in most cases you may have to, like right here, okay, where you get with your feet. Okay, this one will get it with the brush because these pores are really hard to clean. So you have to use the brush so the brush can access the pores and clean all that. You can see everything is super clean again. So what we'll be using now guys, okay, we'll be using leather conditioner. Since our door panel has leather components, leather conditioner, it's dry to the touch, natural leather scents. Okay, this thing is amazing. It's with vitamin E, smells really good, protects amazing. We actually even use it on the plastic components, the soft plastic components of the panel, and we figure that it works really good. So just apply a very thin amount. It's not greasy at all. We hate that greasy look, you know, that people leave sometimes. Something I definitely don't like. So on microfiber applicator we're going to apply a thin amount, rub it in really good. Okay, and there is one more step that you need to do and you will be ready with it, and we'll show you what it is, okay, in just a second. Okay, perfect. Now, what we need to do, we need to get a clean microfiber towel, and we're going to go ahead and wipe the excessive amount of the leather cream. You know, most new vehicles, they have leather on their door panel components, so you want to treat it right, otherwise it can crack in the future. And this is it, guys, check it out. Doesn't look like the old door panel that we had before, right? It looks way better. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.